Okay, sit back and relax. This is going to be a long, painful tutorial on how to build documents using the internet. And that was a joke. This is actually the easiest, most efficient, and downright fun way to create, bind, and distribute documents. Yep, building documents is fun. Whether you need sales presentations, training materials, HR documents, specification guides, our powerful web-based printing technology makes it simple for you to print anything from anywhere. No software to download, no copiers to slave over, no waiting in line. Time is money, and we save you both. So, let's get started. When you first come to this screen, you are prompted to either open an existing document or add print files to create a brand new one. Let's just say that I've never created a document before, and I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to click this button that says Add Print Files. You'll see a pop-up version of your library appear. The folders, where you store the print files you upload, as well as saved documents you previously created, appear here on the left. They work just like your Windows Explorer or Mac Finder on your computer. You'll always have a general folder that cannot be deleted. As you can see, my library is looking kind of bare, since I've never actually uploaded a print file. Getting files into your library is the first step in building a document from scratch. So we'll click on the Upload tab, and just for giggles, let's create a folder. We'll click the Create Folder link and get a pop-up that asks us to name our folder. We'll name this one Sales Presentations. I'll click Save, and just like that, the folder has been created. I can even create a subfolder. I'll name this one Big Customer. You can create as many folders and subfolders as you want. This is great for organizing all of your different documents and related print files. And we all love to stay neat and tidy, right? Right? Right. Okay, so let's get on with it and upload some files for a presentation we're going to create. You can upload any Office document like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, even RTFs and other text files, and we will convert them to PDF on the fly for you. We also accept and convert image files like JPEG. And of course, we take the almighty PDF. We actually love the PDF. I simply click the Upload Files button, and I can browse for my print files. You can upload as many files as you wish simultaneously. I'll choose these two great-looking files. They will upload super fast and go into a processing mode. At this point, they are being converted to PDF, if they weren't already. Now that I've uploaded my files, I go back to the My Library tab, find the folder where I stored these files, select them, click Add to move them to the file collector, and once I've grabbed the files I need for this document, I click the Add button at the very bottom. Voila! My document appears in the middle of the screen. The files you just added appear on the very left. Guess what?
What?
You don't have to worry about forgetting a file or needing to swap one out.
Seriously?
Our document builder allows you to add, remove, and rearrange print files anytime.
Whoa!
To add files, you just click the Add Files button at the top. To remove files, you can click the little trash can next to a specific file and delete just that one, or you can remove all the files in the document at once by clicking this trash can at the top. If you want to rearrange the order of your files, you just click these arrows. You can move a file up or down one space, or click on the double arrows to move the file to the top or bottom of the list. If you want to change from single-sided printing to printing on both sides of the sheet, just click the little icon next to the print file. If you want to change all of the print files at once, just click on this icon at the top. Isn't this easy? I know, it's crazy. Remember when you used to stand in line at that big company's copy store and get less than stellar service once you got to the counter? Yeah, that's over with. So you can even change the color of an individual file just by clicking this icon. I will change this file to black and white. It will convert the file on the fly and update the pricing. You will always see the final price for your document calculated in the upper right corner above your document preview. Every change I make to my document is instantly displayed in the preview. You can page through your document using this bar at the top. You can either go one page at a time using the single arrows, or go to the first and last page using the double arrows. If you're feeling adventurous, You can even type in any page number, hit enter, and magically travel right to that page. Now let's take a look at the Basics tab. There are many options here, the first one being Document Name. We provide you with the default timestamp name, but you can change it to whatever you want. It's always a good idea to save your document frequently as well. Just like if this were a desktop program, saving frequently means you will never lose any of your changes.
Oh.
Click the Save button, and you will see a list of all the folders in your library. Choose where you want to save this, click Save, and when the item successfully saves, you will see this message appear. Okay, back to building my document. The next option you have is Paper for Color Pages. Here you have different choices of weight and style for your color pages. Let's just keep it at the default white 24-pound paper for now. The next option lets you choose the paper type for your black and white pages. Let's change the color for my black and white printed pages to green, because we're all about being green. We even recycle cans. If you do not have any black and white files in your document, then this option won't be available to you. Same goes for the Paper for Color Pages option. I can also change my binding. I can choose a 3-ring binder, and poof, there it is. I can even go to the Covers option and insert my first page into the cover of the binder. But for now, we'll go back and choose a comb binding. Now, if you go back to the Covers drop-down, there are a ton of options that work with this binding to choose from. Let's change our cover to a nice transparent cover with a black back. The final option available in the Basics tab is the hole punch. For now, we will select no hole punch. Newsflash! At any time, you can click this little magnifying glass to get a larger preview of your document. Pretty cool, huh? Now that I've reviewed the document basics, I will show you how to add what used to be complex items like tabs and inserts. Just like everything else, we've made that a breeze too. To add tabs, just click on the Tabs tab. Try saying that 10 times fast. You can choose between Portrait tabs or Landscape. That just depends on how you want the user to read your document. If the document should be read like a normal book, choose Portrait. If you want your reader to view financial tables or some other wide graphic, and you wish for them to read a landscape orientation, then just choose Landscape tabs. This will make sure the text is facing them properly, and also make sure the tabs start on the right end. Adding a tab is easy. Just type in the tab name, choose where you want to insert it, zap! There it is. Add as many tabs as you want. Hey, if you want to get fancy with your tabs, go right ahead. We sure as heck won't stop you. You can change the font, text size, even add bold, italics, or underlines. The possibilities are endless. You can keep track of all of your tabs by clicking on the My Tabs button. Here you can edit or delete all of your tabs in one convenient location. You're welcome. Inserts work the same way. First, choose your insert type. I'm going with cardstock. Then, choose your orientation, same idea as tabs. Then you can add text to your insert if you wish. Just click this link and fill in your text on this pop-up. Just like with tabs, you can change the font and text size. You can even center the text. Once you're finished, click Done. Choose a location and hit Insert. Wham! There it is. Just like with tabs, you can edit all of your inserts at once by clicking on the My Inserts button. When you're ready to have this printed and shipped anywhere in the country, it's a pretty good idea to save one more time. Then, add to cart. So that's it for the document builder. Place an order and see for yourself how beautiful our quality documents turn out. Soon enough, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.